Welcome to Mora FC. Yeah, this is the easy way how to make a placket. Yeah, let's go straight. I measure 4 inches, and the length is up to you. You can measure 14, you can measure 12, 10, 15. How long, how short you want it to be. You can measure how long and short you want it to be. So I open the fabric into two, and I'm gonna put facing on it, not hard, soft one. You can decide to put facing on all the fabric, but hey, I love doing it this way. I just have to put a facing on half of it, and that part will come front. That will be the front, and I'll use the other one to be the wrong side. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment, tell me what you think. So you just have to iron it, make sure you get it work down easily and beautiful. So I'm gonna fold on 1/2 inch. Are you watching the place that I'm folding? I'm folding on 1/2 inch at the part, just like that, and I folded it back like that. So one is going to be 1/2 inch long. So when we get to the fabric, we're gonna work from the wrong side of it. That's the wrong side of it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment, tell me what you think, tell a friend, tell a friend. It is what it is. Mora FC is where greatness be. I'm gonna pop the neck. You can put facing before fixing this one. You can put facing on it before fixing this one, but I'm gonna pop the neck. So I've not done nothing to the neck. So I folded it like this. Because I'm gonna pop the neck, I'm not going to fold the top side. No, I'm just have to put it on it like that. Then I'll sew. Then I'll just I measure 6 inches long. That is where I'm gonna stop and make a double stitch at that point. Then I'm gonna use this one as well. That is the place I'm gonna sew the bottom on it. So I'm gonna sew on 1/2 inch. Make sure you are sewing. You have put the fabric at the right place, sewing at the right place. Check your measurement, take it easy. So we're gonna cut through. Then we curve it to the angle where we make that double stitch. It's like we are forming a triangle at that point, or a prime. At that point, this is how it's going to be. So we're going to flip everything over to the right side of the fabric. So we're going to fold it and fold it again. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment, tell me what you think. It is what it is, Mora FC. So when I reach the place I want to end, I just have to make a double stitch. Just have to cut the unwanted thread. Take your time, there's no need to rush. Make sure you have everything in place. I'm sewing at the top of the placket because when I'm going round of it, when I get to that part, I can't go round of it, so I just have to sew half, more than half of it. What I did earlier, you can decide to do it, you can decide not to do it. Remember, we made a small prime or triangle at that point. We have to fold that triangle inward to the right side of the fabric so that you gap inside, and we have to put the pleat on it. I'm checking for everything to be accurate. Making sure I'm working at the middle of the fabric. I'm working with the middle of the fabric to get the middle right. So like I tell you, the pleat is up to you how long, how short you want it to be. So if it's long, you just have to short it. If it's short, you just have to leave it like that. If you don't want it to leave it like that, you just have to redo it. So I'm folding, you can see I'm folding that part. You can see my middle line there, so I'm just have to, that's the middle line. You can see my middle line right there. That's the middle of the top. I'm looking at where I stop. I make that, so I'm just drawing lines so that so I'm going to form a triangle at that point. You can decide to form, you can decide not to form it. So I'm just forming a triangle at that point to hold it firm. It's more IFC, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. I'm giving tutorial for free, so you just have to do a favor and just subscribe. If you are looking for somebody to sew your clothes for you to create an outfit, I'm gonna leave my email below. Message me, so let's talk about any kind of outfit that you want to create. So you can see how the inside be. Yeah, that's the wrong side of it. You can see how it turns out to be. Perfect. So if you are looking for someone to create something for you, just inbox me. I'm gonna leave my email in the description below or in the comment below, so contact me, so let's talk business. Thank you for watching. It's more IFC, it is what it is.